Welcome, this is Redmi 12 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings, then tap here to the wallpaper section and select one from these available wallpapers. You could use the online wallpapers, photo from your device gallery, system wallpapers. In find more section you could use another online wallpapers. So let's use this one. Tap to apply and click set as lock screen. You could turn on or turn off also the wallpaper carousel. So that's it. Also we get one more way how we could do that. Just first we should hold for a while home screen with our finger. Then on the left down corner you'll see wallpaper icon. Just tap on it and here you'll see all the wallpapers application. You could use the online wallpapers, you could switch the profile, tap to wallpapers and to use photos from your system, the defaults, the photos just from your camera application. Tap to apply, set as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.